Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're here with Alex from
Hello,
Tractoys.
Everybody.
The last video about this car was in German, but I tell you a little bit the story. This car have nearly 5,000 kilometers. Warte, ich muss durchatmen. And the customer have a problem with the engine, that it have some vibrations, the clutch have problems, and the car got already a new engine from Subaru. So, warum bin ich denn so aus Atmen?
Du bist alt.
Gerade voll das Herz flimmert. Voll im Puls, warum das denn? Hab ich doch keinen Espresso getrunken? So, egal.
Viel wahrscheinlich.
The customer wants a little bit more performance in this car. He wants to drive on the Nordschleife and want only have a little bit fun on the streets. That means we have here no high boost or high power project, but it should perform good.
It got another issue after the rebuild from Subaru with the rattling sounds or the vibrations while driving. When we were driving last time, it had some vibrations.
Ah, yes, right. We thought that it may be the flywheel clutch or the prop shaft or something like this.
Yeah.
So now first test ride, and let's check what it is. Alex.
Yes. This time for the check, we gonna use something different than the laptop. We use this Ecotech dongle.
Yeah.
With this dongle, you're able to lock with your phone, and we're gonna show it to you for a minute. This dongle is also able to flash the car. It's something similar to a COP access port, just from Ecotech. So you don't have a display, but you can use your smartphone to lock and have a dashboard and all that stuff. And we're gonna use that today to check the vitals of the car. Stick it in.
Okay.
Please. Plug it in.
Is it?
Let's see. You can see the car infos. You can build your custom dashboard, data logging, DTC tool where you can read and delete the DTCs, the OBD readiness codes, and the performance analyzer, 100 to 200 kilometers per hour, and so on. And we're gonna use the data logging for now. So it looks like this. You can start and stop a log file, which you can send to your tuner if you get a remote tune from us, for example. Yes, and we're going to check the vitals with this. It's a little bit more handy than the notebook.
Cool.
Very
That
cool.
only with your mobile phone?
Yes, everything with a mobile phone. Just for flashing you will need a notebook or a laptop.
Okay.
But
Can you change the turbo boost or something like this already with this
yes,
map?
Yes.
With this mobile phone? Right?
yes, you can even use slider. For example, for the boost level, for if it's a boosted BRZ, or if you have a Nissan GTR, you can use it for the map switch, for activating, deactivating some stuff.
The engine control lamp is blinking because we had plug off the crankshaft sensor by starting for oil pressure.
Oh.
Can you turn it off, or?
Sure we can. We just use the app, use the DTC tool, read the DTCs. So we have in the ECM, the engine control management, we have the P2433, secondary air injection system, airflow pressure.
Yes, we delete them, right?
Bank high. So
you have to. Yeah, okay.
Secondary air pump needs to be deleted.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this when the car will be tuned.
Yeah.
And then it will switch off. Or we can delete it right now, just clicking on X, and now it's off.
But
Yeah.
already.
It's just coming back. Yeah.
Yes.
Because it's still unplugged.
You can that you don't do with the app.
No, this needs to be done by the tuner.
Yeah.
It's not only one code you need to delete. You need to turn that secondary air pump completely off.
Okay. So, Alex, what do you think? Are the vibration away?
Yes, I think they're gone. They appeared at 120 kilowatts per hour, I guess, and we just drove it and was absolutely silent. No vibrations in the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Or did you recognize anything?
And the last time I feel it at the bottom and on my foot or in on my ass.
On your ass.
No, but it is okay now. So we changed here. What we have done, we have changed the intercooler. Here is an Wagner Performance intercooler. They are pretty good and fits perfectly. Then we have a competition clutch and competition flywheel. We changed the original crank pulley to a fluid damper. They are very good, and I said everybody who loves their engine want to protect the main bearings, buy it. It is her money, definitely worth it. So yes, of course, we the EJ257 have the problem with the cylinder head gasket, and we changed the original head bolts to head studs from RRP. That's the normal RRP 2000 in it, with Roger Clark Motorsport head gaskets. So yes, runs fine. Okay, and the next step is?
Next step, car will get a 3-inch downpipe, and after that we're gonna map it. That it can handle the Nordschleife and all the other tracks he will be driving on, and in the end maybe it will also get a new suspension setup from us.
Yeah.
For the track and street use. Yes.
Cool. So guys, now we drive to a shop who sold dry ice for me, because I need them for the engine builds, and I said thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel from Alex. Alex do all the mappings for my car and is a really Subaru engine profi, and I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Ciao.
Bye.